So today we're going to talk to you about how Billy created a nice fence with pallets.
Wood.
He has got the pallets here and a gate. Do you want to open the gate and close it? Do you want to tell us what you did?
Okay, so what I done, found a place that was giving away free pallets. Well, Angel found a place that was giving away free pallets, so we went and picked up the pallets. And what I've done is I put a post right here up against the shop.
Yeah, we're fencing in our grooming shop here.
Correct. And then I drilled holes to put the screws in to the post.
Secured it to the post there. So the first pallet is secured to a post, but then to connect the pallets together, he's using this metal connector that we got from Lowe's. And then down here, can you show
I put
on there the board that you use for connecting?
And then what I've done, I've taken some wood that I got for free from another company and dug a hole, put it in the ground, and then put 2 screws each on one side, one on one pallet, one on the other pallet, and then I buried the post.
And then you don't have to have a fence post.
Correct.
To put it down in, so that saves money.
So the only thing we paid for was screws and metal plates.
Yeah, we paid for the metal plates and the screws. And he actually salvaged some hinges for the gate here. And we just have this little $1.50. That costs $1.50, I think, for the gate.
For the lock.
Yeah, to lock. Actually, we bought these hinges.
Yeah, we bought these hinges. I was going to use some that I was going to resalvage, but we seen these, and these worked out a lot better. We paid,
I think that was about $3.48 for
$3.48 for those.
And then, as you can see, as we go down here, this is the plates that connect. This is the board in between the pallets that's
connecting them two together as an anchor.
Yeah, it's anchored. It's in the ground and screwed to the pallets. So it's very secure and a very low cost way to put together a fence here.
Yeah, we've probably spent maybe $15, less than $20, I would think.
Well,
not counting
actually the total of the plates were 98 cents each. So we spent a total, when we were there yesterday, we spent $40.
Oh yeah, that's right.
But I'm not sure if everything was for the fence. So for the fence, maybe I would say
no, we bought some stuff
30.
from the shop, so. Yeah,
maybe about $30 for the fence, or something like that.
Yeah, but still for a fence,
you can't beat that
good.
For a fence. That's a really good price. And you did a really good job, honey.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And we hope that you've learned something, and we hope that you can make you a pallet fence if you want to. It's really nice to find a good place for pallets, because these pallets are actually, pretty nice looking as far as pallets go.
See,
and
I think
there's no broken pieces.
So I like this look, but you can also paint them.
Yeah, we may paint it. We actually may paint it. And you can make some natural paint. You can make paint like milk paint, egg paint. So maybe we'll do a video on that. But yeah, it looks really, really great. And I was going to say one more thing about this. I can't remember what it is now. Oh yeah, we're going to make a chicken coop. Well, a chicken pen area with these. We're going to do 2 on each side and put some netting up top, because the duck has to have netting. And we're going to put the duck in with our 3 chickens.
Yes.
So that's our idea.
I'm looking forward to building that, and we'll show you that video.
Yeah, we'll show you the chicken/duck house when we're done with that. And right now the duck's using the dog pen, and the dog can have her pen back, right, honey?
That's right.
So we hope you have a great day, and leave us in the comments. Leave in the comments if you make a pallet fence, if you've ever made a pallet fence. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.